These are plastic housing components for washing machines. The client requires surface defects inspection, including contaminants, scratches, printing defects, etc. Given the exceptionally large surface area of each sample, utilizing line scan cameras paired with line lights to stitch high-resolution images is the optimal approach. Let's proceed to the lighting lab. Here's what we need to prepare. Our high-intensity line light P-LSG series. 2 units deployed at the same time to enhance illumination uniformity. Our high-power constant current controller P-AHC series. Now place the housing component on the moving stage. Position the dual P-LSG lights overhead, then aligning both light strips into a single overlapping zoom. Adjust aperture, focus, and software settings. Move the stage to verify full image stitching by the software. But our lab lacks extra long lights covering the full width, so we capture 2 halves separately. And we have repeated the above procedure to capture images of all samples. Okay, now we can check the results. The characters on printed panels are clearly legible, while magnification reveals distinct scratches, along with contaminants such as white foam particles. This sample's image has successfully met the client's inspection requirements. Jun-RSEE is a Chinese supplier of machine vision lighting solutions. We are seeking outstanding overseas agents for mutually beneficial partnerships. For further details, please contact me by email below this video.